Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing good while sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. Summer is officially here in Vietnam and the weather turned hot, which means it's time to dig the heavy clothing and update our closet with light pieces. And I'm planning to making my own summer lingerie in May with silk, which is quality fabric to stay comfortable all season long and of course share with you all. In video today, I'm going to show you the first summer lingerie idea is sleeve dress. It's super comfy to wear and also easy to make. Now, let's get started. I picked up silk fabric in the ring and some details on it. This fabric is super light, smooth, and cool. I'm going to draw on paper, drawing a straight line down and a line perpendicular to it. Measuring your shoulder and your bust round first. Then I'm going to draw a shoulder line and an armpit line. From the center, go outside 11 cm and mark it there. From the armpit line, up 16 cm and mark it there. Connect with armpit point. From the armpit line, up 10 cm on the center line, mark it there and connect with the arm line at top. Take the length of dress as you like. And the width of the bottom of dress as you like too. To me, from the center line, go outside 31 cm and mark it there, and connect to the armpit point. Then from the bottom, I'm going to up 3 cm and mark. I'm going to curl the bottom line. From the armhole line, I'm going to draw a bust dart. I got a half up front. Now, from the armpit point, go down 10 cm and mark it there. From the neckline, go down 16 cm and mark it there. Then, connect two points together with the curved line, and I got the front lining. Moving to the back, I just take the front out, and from the armpit line, up 4 cm and mark, and draw the line out. From the center, go outside 15 cm and mark it there, then connect to the armpit point. I got a half a back. From the armpit point, go down 10 cm and mark it there, then draw the line inside, and I got the back lining. Okay, from the button here, I'll cut down the fabric. First, I'm going to stitching bust dart on the main front and the lining front. After stitching, I'll tie a knot at the end. Now, sewing both sides together, main part and lining part too. And overlooking to protect fabric. I already cut down 2 strings with 2 cm width to making stars. Now fold it in half and sew. I'm going to cut the excess fabric and turn the right side out, then iron them. And I'm going to cut 2 strings with 45 cm length and 2 small pieces with 80 cm length. I use this stuff, but I don't know how to call these. If you know, please let me know in the comment section. I call they are a little loop and number 8. Now I'm going to thread those small pieces through the small loop and use clip to keep it in place. Next, I'm going to insert the lining part into the main part. Pin them together around, then up the long string between a lining and main part at the front side. And put the small pieces with small loop between at the back side, then sew them together. After sewing, I'll cut the excess fabric and turn the right side out. And remember iron to make the neckline evenly and nice. Now I'm going to thread the long string through number 8, then through the loop, and again through the number 8, and stitching to close the string. After that, you can adjust the length of step of dress easily. Moving on to the bottom of dress, I'm going to fold the bottom double tie inside and sew hem to finish sleeve dress. And here is the final result. It's super nice, comfortable and perfect for summer loungewear. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial and see you next Thursday. Bye!